Oh, hello everyone. So I'm back, and yeah, I got probably about an hour, a little bit less. And I really wanted to. I actually made some notes. I went out earlier and thought about like what I wanted to convey to the player. Let's turn desktop audio back on. And so I think I'm gonna do like what I did in my Expando Raid game years ago, like do voiceover instructions slash story for the game. So I just need to program that in. The only issue is like I got to make it like I don't know. I don't know if I want to do part of it on the first level and save the rest for the second level, or try to cram it in on the first level. But I definitely don't want to do it like on the post title screen like I've done before, because that's just kind of annoying. So create. I think I'm just going to call this story. Although it's like story slash instructions. I don't know. I could call it instructions. I'll just leave it a story. Scripts, create, C# story. Go over here. I think this is a much better way to add. But if I just keep it outside of the room object, then it can play on into the second level. But it may overlap with like level end music or whatever I'm going to have there. So script. So here you don't have to worry about like waiting for the script to wake up or for it to be created or whatever. You just add it that way. It seems like it's a little bit more reliable. So I don't know how I want to do this. I think I want to have UI text. Oh, wow. Do I want to have it on its own canvas? I want a canvas. I also need, one thing I really need to add is quit action. UI. I'm going to put it on its own canvas. I think I'm going to make it red too. So I want the standard Robotar. Let's make it like some reddish type color. Font size. Oops. I got overflow. Overflow. Canvas. Wish I could just set this to a default, so I don't have to set it every time. Story 01. Can put it over here. So this other side's kind of busy. Okay, so I got my text. I'll voice act this as well. I could do it all on one. Oh, I actually don't want horizontal overflow. I want wrap. So I can increase the width. Whoa, what's going on here? Why isn't the width making it wider? Okay. Position over here. That looks good. See, I don't know if I want to just keep updating this one text. I could have let the letters pop in. That would be cool. or have it. I think I want to have a separate one for each text. That way I can assign the audio to each text and then just enable and disable those guys. So see what this looks like. So help Slowbot activate 3 lights in each level. I also had the idea of adding a drone that would fly. I don't know if I'm going to do shooting. That may be too much for this game for now. I think shooting may add... Whoa, where am I? An unnecessary level of complexity to this. So, let me do my voice acting. I'm going to do a robot voice. I've done it so many times for the podcast, I kind of know how to do it now. I think I'm going to do all of it on one track. So, I think everything should be set up. I should just do like one that's Slowbot. 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 So this is kind of a little bit of an involved process, but I think I have notes somewhere if I do it. So I want to go split stereo, generate, tone, sawtooth. Let's do it for 2 seconds. Crap. Slowbot. So now you make this one the right channel. You join, make stereo track, effect, vocoder. I think use defaults. Slowbot. So there's my Slowbot. I don't know if I want it like deeper or not. Change pitch. I think that sounds pretty good. Slowbot. File. Export. Audio. Really wasn't going to do audio that much, but oh well. LD Smith. Projects. Slowbot. Assets, audio, voice, Slowbot, save. So I'm going to put that one on the title screen. Scenes, title, title text, create empty, audio, audio, or voice, title, audio, voice, voice title. Don't play on awake. So in my title text script, when it finally lands. Game object find voice title dot get component audio source dot play. Save that.
Slowbot.
Oh man, that was easy enough. Okay, so here's my text. Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level. Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power decreases. Moving makes Slowbot's power decrease more rapidly. Picking up a battery will restore some of Slowbot's power. Touching a mine will drastically lower Slowbot's power. Okay. So on to split, delete, that's 41, effect, no, generate tone for 42 seconds, okay, audio track, make stereo effect, vocoder, go. Let's go back to game. Story. Duplicate. Story 2. Duplicate. 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 Story 03, Story 04, Story 05, Story 06, Story 07. Here's my story. Slowbot's power decrease over time. That's story 2. Slowbot will come slower. Okay, story 03. Copy. Story 04. Story 05. Story 06. delete story 07. So I'm gonna disable all of these. Get my story script. So I want to do a game object. No. I want to do a list. Story list. Where do I put it? Did I put it here? Oops. I want to do a list of game objects. Story list. Public list, story list. So it's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I wonder on my story class, I'm gonna do public void play story int I story. So I want to do story list I story dot set active true. Save. Maybe I should just play these over time. Float F time elapsed. F time elapsed gets 0. F time elapsed add an assign time dot delta time. If F time elapsed is greater than 1, play story I. Play story 0. Oops. Bool list bool story has played. I want to do that. It's almost like each story needs its own class. So all these are going to be false. So this is going to be 6. They're all false. If not story has played 0, then play story 0. Story has played. Story has played. I story gets true. So it'd be nice to know after so many seconds that it goes away. Float F story display countdown. F story display countdown gets 0. F story display countdown gets 5. And I story playing. I story playing gets -1. I story playing gets I story. If F story display countdown is greater than 0, F story display countdown, subtracting a sign, time delta time. If F story display countdown is less than or equal to 0, then story list I story playing dot set active to false. I story playing gets -1. So it should start at 2, then end at 7. Yay. Else if twelve stories played 1. One, 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did it stop updating? 5 time lapses greater than 12. Not stored in players 1. Just need to take the else if out. So really, I would like to have it where once you pick up the battery, then you get the battery tip. Or once you hit a mine, then you get the tip for about the mine. But I think I'm just going to play them all in succession. It'd be crazy to try to figure all that out. Float. Wait. Don't do float. Nah. Three, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 12. I'm just going to do every 10 seconds. 22, 2, 2, 32, 3, 3, 42, 4, 4, 52, 5, 5. I don't need this one. It would be nice to have the outline. UI effects outline 2 -2. Just so collect the light, and I can still see it. I think I want to kind of have it like zoom in. I don't want, I wonder if I can do that. I'd have to modify. Yeah, let's just get the voice acting working first. Then I can have it fly in and everything. split, delete. 42, effect, generate, tone, 42, okay. Didn't I just do this? I think I already did this. Okay. Doing the wrong thing.
Help Slowbot activate the 3 lines in each level. Slowbot.
Volume.
Help Slowbot activate the Help Slowbot activate the 3 lines in each level.
Okay, that's fine. Control C, edit. Do I have a paste as new? File, new.
Help Slowbot activate the 3 lines in each level.
File, export, Story 01. Crap. Delete. I'll save this file, save project as story. Control C, Control V, file, export, Story 02, save. File, export, Story 03, save. File, export audio, Story 04. File, export, Story 05. And file, export, Story 06. Save. Okay. Let's close that. No. So I think I can drag the audio directly on these. I think I'm just going to do that. Story 01. Now it has an audio source on it. Play on away. I'll do it after. Story 02, Story 03, Story 04, Story 05, Story 06. Now, if it plays on awake, maybe I just want it to play on awake. Maybe it handles it for me.
Help Slowbot activate the 3 lines in each level. Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power.
I didn't have enough time on that one.
Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level. Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power decreases. Moving makes Slowbot's power decrease more rapidly. Picking up a battery will restore some of Slowbot's power. Touching a mine will drastically lower Slowbot's power.
So, I think the only thing I want to change about this is I think I want to say level manager LM gets game object dot find level manager dot get component level manager if not LM dot is winner and not LM is game over, then we want to elapse time. I should even put all of this. We only want to play the story if the game's actually going on. And we don't want to play the story like right at the end of the level.
Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level.
So now we're waiting.
Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power decreases. Moving makes Slowbot's power decrease more rapidly. Picking up a battery will restore some of Slowbot's power. Touching a mine will drastically lower Slowbot's power.
It's getting dark. He's getting slower. Seems like he goes faster when I'm doing up and over. I may have messed up there. Maybe I should have normalized that or something. I do want to do the exit though. Oh no, bomb. Oh, I didn't do the thanks for playing. Can do that. You restored all of the lights. Thanks for playing. It should be you helped Slowbot restore all of the lights. This needs to be louder too.
Slowbot.
Okay, I can only do one thing at a time. Need to go to scenes. There's too many S words here. You helped Slowbot restore all of the lights. Thanks for playing. Okay. You helped Slowbot restore all of the lights. Thanks for playing. Okay. Split, delete, generate, tone. Let's do 10 seconds. Okay. No. Click off, generate, tone. Okay. Audio track. Oh, gotta set it to right. Make stereo, effect, vocoder, okay. Then I want to add some echo to it as well. I want to amplify by 4, then add some echo. Effect, amplify by 4, okay. Effect, echo. That's a little bit too much. K factor 0.2.
You helped Slowbot restore all of the lights.
Okay. File, export, voice. This is winner. Voice winner. Save. Okay. File open. Whoa. LD Smith. Projects. Slowbot. Assets, audio, voice, Slowbot. So I'm going to select all, effect, amplify by 4. Okay. Effect, echo, 0.2.2.
Slowbot.
File, export. So I'm just going to overwrite Slowbot there. Yes. Okay. And so I need a new create empty audio 0, 0, 0. Create empty. Voice winner. Audio voice. Voice winner. I'm just going to have this play on awake and be done with it.
You helped Slowbot restore all of the lights. Thanks for playing.
It's kind of like Rocky, just from the top.
Slowbot. Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level. Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power decreases. Moving makes Slowbot's power decrease more rapidly. Picking up a battery will restore some of Slowbot's power. Touching a mine will drastically lower Slowbot's power.
Okay, I want to do the quit deal. So, scenes, title. There's no game over, you just keep playing the same level over and over again. Create empty, quit, scripts, create C#, called quit. Let's go to quit, add component, scripts, quit, open the quit script, if input key, get key down, key code, escape, application.quit, and on start, don't destroy on load. Is it this? I could just do game object. Game object. File, build and run. So play. I think I want to have it where you can't start until Slowbot gets all the way to the bottom.
Slowbot.
So it does quit. What's the title? I'm on title. Title menu. When is that? Title text. It's 12 second. It's a 12-second intro. Title menu. Float F delay. F delay gets 0. Let's make it 12. F delay, subtract and assign time dot delta time. If F delay is greater than 0, subtract off that. Else, I'm going to let him press the start button. So now you actually have to wait for it to fall all the way down. So I'll have some music playing here.
Slowbot. Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level. Slowbot's power will gradually decrease over time. Slowbot will become slower and headlight will dim as power decreases. Moving makes Slowbot's power decrease more rapidly. Picking up a battery will restore some of Slowbot's power. Touching a mine will drastically lower Slowbot's power.
Oh no. Oh no.
You helped Slowbot restore all of the lights. Thanks for playing. Slowbot. Help Slowbot activate the 3 lights in each level.
Okay, file, save. File, save project. Let's go ahead and commit this guy. Okay, well, that's it for now. I'll commit this. Yeah, here it is. Added voice acting and hint display. Added quit on escape. Oh, I need to commit. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll probably be back tomorrow morning sometime. I don't know if I'll be back later tonight, but definitely in the morning. Do the music and the model, character model, and more levels. I should add that to my to-do list. File. Open. So I did mines. Haven't done enemies. Did power meter. So music. Player, model, more levels. Kind of want to have like a drone flying enemy that chases after you. That would be cool. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. I think this will be one of my better games for Ludum Dare. Updated to-do list. Okay, commit that. This will have everything already finished. Everything committed when I pick it up tomorrow. Okay, thanks everyone for watching.